Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to add a video inside text like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it Full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to file and import your video or image, and this is our video. Okay, now I'll go to tools, text, and I'll type text. Okay. Then I'll go to align to put this text into the middle. Then I'll press S to increase it like this. Okay. Okay, all you have to do, you have to go to your image or video. Then I'll go to this none. If you don't see this, you can go to switch here. Okay, and I'll change it from no track to alpha matte text and see. That's all. I think it's very simple, very easy, and this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.